Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to make double dovetails. These are by far easier to do with an electric router and a jig, but why not do them by hand? So I'm going to use some walnut as the primary wood. That's going to make both the pin board and the tail board, and then I'm going to use some horse chestnut to be the contrast wood. So first of all, let's gauge the thickness of the pin board to begin with, and then gauge that around the end of the contrast material. Now we need to reduce that distance by a little bit, which will be the amount that we show of the contrast around the pins. So by about 3mm we'll try it. For the tails, and we'll also mark that on the inside of pin board. A little bit like so, and also down that edge, marking that on the inside of the pin board, just down the edges a little way. Now we need the thickness of the tails, or the contrast I should say. And that needs to be the how far back we go on the pin board. So mark that in as well. And just join up to those edge markings. And that forms a rebate that we need to take out of the pin board. So you can see we have the tails, and these tails will be the contrast tails to begin with. So they're quite wide, quite closely spaced together. And then on the end there, we've got these extra marks. So we've doubled the allowance from the end in from the tail, added the same amount in from that side of the tail, again there and again there. And that's where we will cut the true tails from the second tail board once this one's already installed. Now with the contrast tailboard fitted and glued, what I'm going to do is cut that off in line with the back of the pin board, and then I can cut the pin board in half because I'm going to use the other end of the pin board to become the tailboard within the contrast. So having cut out the pins, I then transferred that marking out onto the tailboard. The tailboard's pretty much normal to cut out, but after I've cut those tails, there is, as you can see, a piece on the back there that needs removing, which will allow for this contrast to show through at the back. So that's double dovetails cut by hand. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment, and if you want to support, follow the Patreon link in the description. Cheerio.